It's time to reveal the fastest method of reaching level 500, and it's by using a Diamond Panther method. I know this method is a lot common for others, but they are not using it properly. So in this video, I will show you the best pet you need for grinding and the best setup you need. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we proceed for the method, first, what is Diamond Panther? Diamond Panther is a divine pet that can be obtained from the gem egg with 0.5% chance of getting. For its passive, every 12 mutations you harvest, there is a chance for a random pet to age up by 1. If you didn't know, this pet is very overpowered for methods, but it's so underrated. Some people already know this method, but they're not doing it correctly. So in this video, I will show you to maximize this method to work perfectly, so let's do this method. The materials you will need is strawberries, pancake stacks, 5 diamond panthers, 2 rainbow hatched newt or an axolotl, T-Rex, and 7 15 seconds mimic octopus. These are the main things you need. Now for the materials you will need to get over 12 plus mutations on fruits. The materials you will need is honey sprinkler, lush sprinkler, advanced sprinkler, geode turtle, phoenix, griffin, kappa, wolf, spriggan, dark spriggan, badger, king bee, and tanchazuru. That's all you need for getting those mutations fast. Now for the actual method. First you need is to plant loads of strawberries in an empty plot. It should look like this. Next, put some pancake stacks or horseshoe magnet at the center of these strawberries. Because most of the pets we need are those pets that give studs, pancakes would be very helpful at this. First, use a T-Rex and any different mutation with 6 15 seconds mimic octopus. Like use a gummy bear with T-Rex and 6 15 seconds mimic octopus, so it spreads loads of gummy mutations first. Next, place honey sprinklers. Make sure that all those strawberries turned into honey glazed mutations. Just like this. Next is place advanced sprinklers along with geode turtle with mimic octopus. This method gives geode mutations on all strawberries. Next, use phoenix to get tons of flaming mutations. Now use griffin for cyclone mutations. Next, use kappa for wet and bloodlet mutations. Now use wolf for moonlit mutations. Next, use spriggan for bloom mutations. Now use dark spriggan for blight mutations. I forgot to include, you also need a trapdoor spider, which gives web mutations. Next, use badger for cracked mutations. And lastly, use a tanchazuru for tranquil mutations. And also, don't forget about the king bee for pollinated and honey gem mutations. Now you reached over 12 plus mutations. Now it's time to equip 5 diamond panthers and 2 rainbow hatched newt. All pets needs to be level 500 to work this method, so the level you receive is focus for the pet you wanted to level. Newt is also overpowered to get duplicated fruits when harvesting crops. We will test this method for a level 105 koi. Let's see how long does it takes. I recommend to use some radars to harvest those mutations fast. Let's see how long does it takes. That took me around 5 minutes to level up by just harvesting those mutations. This is crazy. Also, axolotls can replant those mutations, so using it is also very effective. The axolotl passive, the rare fruit you harvest, the low chance of getting it back. That's why I picked strawberries, because strawberries are common rarity. That's all the methods you can use. If you have some questions, let me know in the comments.